Hello everyone, my name is Enzo Leclat, and today I'll be talking about why animal testing should be banned. Over the course of years and even decades, scientists have proven that animals are being mistreated and even punished because of the way that they treat animals, because of how they think they are objects. Over the course of this speech, I'll be talking about three main points. Main point number one, I'll be talking about why is it so unethical to mistreat animals. Second number point, I will talk about why there is another way of treating them without the use of being cruel. Main point number three, I'll be talking about why it's so expensive and time consuming, and there are multiple ways of doing that for an inexpensive way. For main point number one, in an article by Animal Testing for Cosmetics, they talk about how the use of cosmetics and products for the use of the skincare. This basically states that how animal mistreating for the use of skincare or products such as L'Oréal Paris, AMC, and other products that they use for making the better of our skin today. I think that it's very unethical because of the way they use animals to produce a certain way to help humans. And I think that's very disappointing. For main point number two, I'll be talking about an example from 5 Reasons to End Animal Testing. In a quote by Hortong, she mentions, not all experiments done on humans and animals are correlated, but are seen that it should be directed to more human-related research, such as cell tissues. This further explains that animal testing should be a way of helping animal testing and a way of helping humans in such a way where you cannot mistreat them and becomes unethical. And main point number two, a book or a source article states EPA says it will eliminate animal testing by 2035. In a quote by CNN, they say Environmental Protection Agency, more known as EPA, states that researchers collect and analyze a lot of data to ensure that they are not missing any harmful effects, such as cell-based models. Regarding to Environmental Protection Agency, it states that they want to do more research on a specific cell of a certain animal, such as a rabbit or a chimpanzee, because they're more correlated to humans because of their DNA. This will help us to know the difference between how we should treat animals and the way that humans should be treated, the way we are treated, because animals are not just objects, but they also have emotions such as us. Now I'll be showing you a visual aid that states by Animal Experts in Biomedical Research, a Historical Perspective by Nuno Franco. By stating the point in his book, René Descartes, a French research scientist, 1596 to 1650, description of animals as machine-like, was heavily criticized by many of his contemporaries, but nevertheless provided scientists a way to justify what would now be considered extremely gruesome experiments, in a time when anesthesia for humans and humans alike was not available. In this quote, it longer proves that animal testing should be a way of helping us as humans, but also a way to understand that animals are not such as um, should be crueled or even misleaded because of their animals. They also have an emotion such as humans. Overall, throughout the speech, I think that having animal testing as unethical should be banned because scientific researchers such as EPA, more as environmental protection agency, wants to help animals to eliminate all of these misleading and conceptual problems that they face in their everyday life. Thank you.